All right, we got a new listing in northern Sullivan County, CRP farm. Just pulled in. Got a nice little cabin, shed. Actually, I see some sheds over here, or some deadheads. Not sure which. A little bit of both. That's not bad. Checking out old farms, you always want to check the sheds. So those aren't bad. I would imagine the nicer ones probably went home with the guys. But that's probably just a nice 3-year-old for northern Missouri. But we're gonna go in, check this out. Nice little shed. We've got living space up there, sleeping space. We've got sleeping space over here. Table, stove, propane. Got TV. Nice little spot. So it looks like basically 3 bedrooms. Got the I'll call this the master suite. So master suite, 2 lofts, and nice little bathroom. So I like it. Don't need a whole lot when you're hunting. Just need a place to lay down and be able to get out to your farm quick the next day. That is exactly what this is. So we'll go check, lock this door. Let's go check out the CRP. All right, we're just driving through the CRP. They've got nice paths cut everywhere, and really gonna show you why I really love the top couple counties next to the Iowa line. This big rolly ground. CRP ground is really good when it's that rolly stuff. You could put row crop on the side of most of it, but it's vantage points. And we're gonna pull up this blind here and just show you what this guy's looking at, and it is absolutely perfect. All right, so we got the blind here behind us. We're gonna walk out about 20-ish yards. And now you're looking at this food plot. You're looking at a gap down there where that old machinery is. You're looking to the other hill. I don't have my rangefinder with me, but I'm going to say that hill for sure is about 200, 220. That's going to be 3 something depending on how far up the hill. Pretty sure I just heard a turkey gobble. That could be wishful thinking. But. So, little bedding area. You got ag all around you. So, pretty good. So he's growing actually corn plots down here on these little bottoms along the creek. You got all these little fingers. CRP farms, I love them. I love hunting big timber, but CRP farms just hold deer, and they hold deer all day long, which is great when you're cruising. Rut phase is on because it'll just bop around in this taller grass, hit all these little spots looking for the next doe. So seeing some rubs like it should be. So we'll go down there in the bottom while the ground's still froze and check out these food plots. All right, so we're down on one of these little creek bottoms here, these ditches, and this is a great example of why I like CRP farms. My visibility is about 80 yards tops right here. So some would say that's bad, some say it's good. I'm gonna say it's good because it allows me to get into my stand, it allows me to sneak in, it allows me to hunt those tops without any of the deer down here knowing that I'm even on top of them. So I'm a big fan of that. I'm really a big fan of how huntable these CRP tracks are that have these little draws through them. So we've got corn plots behind us. There's actually little corn plots all over the place. So, you know, it'd be great for Great for late season hunting. No, sorry, there's some scrapes right there. I lost my mind a little bit there. But you can't see it from here, but you got another top up there. It's got tire blind. There's tire blind back there. There's timber along this creek that is more than good enough for bow hunting and all types of cover. So I really like that. There's another stand right over there. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of these. There's Old Pond there. You know, bucks love to hang out at those and hole up with the doe. But pretty good farm. And I've only been on it for about 5 minutes, and there's lots of tracks, lots of deer sign. Food plots are laid out right. Cabin's nice. So this farm is 160 acres. I'd call it mainly CRP, but it's got a lot of stuff going on. Got any more questions, give me, Nathan Wilt, a call, or Sid Gilworth. Follow the link for more information in the video, and hope to see you on this farm.